It's the best in the market. The speed. Obviously, there are many videos, many headings, and I was little confused what to watch, what to go, and I didn't expect that NEET SS coaching will be different from NEET PG coaching, where teachers will go on writing and will give you time to make notes, and NEET SS will be completely different. Speed did help me a lot in getting this, in achieving this.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Sai Charan for scoring a topmost rank in NEET SSMCS Surgical Group 2025 and scored a rank of 16. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
So it's wonderful and a fantastic and a phenomenal achievement that you have done and made all of us proud.
Yes, sir.
And also, I thank you for taking out your time to share your valuable experience with us and also with the students.
My pleasure, sir. My pleasure.
Great. Can we get started now?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. So can we know your brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done and accomplished?
Yes, sir. Basically, I'm from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, sir. I did my MBBS from a private medical college in Andhra Pradesh. And then after 1 year of preparation post internship, I got a rank of 252 and I in NEET PG and I did my MS surgery from Dr. RML Hospital in New Delhi. And I completed my MS in this October 2025. And after 2 months of preparation, I got into NEET SS 2025, 16.
Fantastic. Phenomenal. So
Thank you
can
so
we
much.
know what specialty is your interest?
I remember this thing when you said in one of your live classes that cardiothoracic surgeons and neurosurgeons will make their mind before entering into surgery that they have to become like CTs or neurosurgery. And I think I am one of that gastrosurgeon who wants to get into gastrosurgery before joining into surgery. So I want to become a GI surgeon. So that is my specialty of interest.
GI surgery. Why GI surgery? Why that? Who inspired you? How you got this?
I have my very best friend, Dr. Sai Charan, whose father is a very renowned surgical gastroenterologist in whole of Kurnool district, and in fact, whole of Rayalaseema. He did his MCA surgical gastroenterology from AIMS New Delhi, Dr. K. Ramchandra Naidu. And when I see him, he inspired me very much, and I thought that this is the person I want to impersonate. And I used to think that if I would become at least 25% of what he is, then I would be accomplished as a good surgeon. So at this point of time, I want to be 100% of what he is now.
Very nice. Very nice. Excellent.
And post and during MS surgery and abdomen has always been an interesting part, and it's like a Pandora box, and every time you open it, you will find something new, and that's been a very interesting thing. Of course, I cannot say adventures and heroics to a cardiothoracic surgeon like you, who day out, day in and day out, uh, plays with heart, but abdomen is my interest of choice.
Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. Now it's good and the great specialty that you have chosen to
Yes, sir.
accomplish your
One
dream.
more thing, sir, and this feels very great to be sitting on other side of the chat box. That I used to type answers for your questions in the chat box in live classes, and now here I am talking to you about this, about the results. Feels very happy, sir.
That is my pleasure and
Thank you,
uh,
sir.
and a great honor to meet a student at this place. And,
Thank you so much, sir.
and every time when I take
My
class, I
pleasure.
always say, I wish
Yes,
to meet you next time in your interview.
yes, sir. Sure.
And today we are here.
Yeah.
And that was your sincerity and dedication that you attended our live sessions, and you have been very sincere to type each and every answer. And
Yes, sir.
and that effort has made a mark, and that dedication has made a mark. Your commitment has made a mark to show what.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Great, I'm very happy for you.
Thank
Now,
you so much, sir.
next I want to know where you started, how you started your preparation. When can you share your success story and strategy behind your preparation to achieve what you have today?
Yeah, definitely, sir. And during that post-graduation time, first year was very hectic, and second year, you obviously one will become so a bit of ease with the duties, and it will be like a honeymoon period in second year. Basically, you will enjoy, you will relax, you'll get relaxed, and you. and second year will be the most responsible period, I think, of all the post graduation, because you have to manage your juniors, you have to manage wards, you have to be responsible to your duties, and you have to be learning, and you have to give rounds to your third years and senior residents and consultants. And in a way, second year will be managing everything in the unit. And after second year, when I started in my third year in January, and that's where in some Instagram stories, in between the stories, and you popped out saying that if you want to get into SS super specialty of your branch of your choice, then you have to get into speed. And that I found it a bit interesting and catchy, and I thought I should give it a try. And then I took 6 month course from Speed Institute, and I watched all the gastroenterology, surgical gastroenterology videos, Dr. Basan Singh videos, and then I concentrated mostly on my theoretical part for PGA exams. And and during September, I took 3 months course for actually to get into INSS, that November thing. And those 3 months, after I completed my PG in October, and then those I had around 25, 30 days time. And in that 30 days time, I again watched all the videos and of the surgical gastroenterology part. And for general surgery portion, I watched all your high yield series and high yield series videos. But unfortunately, I didn't have much time to revise and go through, do one more revision for all what I have read. And with that reading, I got a rank of 58, which I cannot get. But that actually disappointed me a bit. But I thought, chalo, it's okay. That's what is desirable for what I have prepared. Then, without losing hope, I targeted on NEET SS. And post INI, I have 25 days. And in that 25 days, I completely targeted on the subjects which I don't have any idea, like CTVS, plastic surgery, neurosurgery. And I really took it serious that one of your sayings in a live class that you can touch anything, but if you don't have any idea, you can't touch CTVS and plastic surgery in the exam. And that really touched me well, and I really dedicated so much time for CTVS and neurosurgery and plastic surgery. And for at least like 15 days, I completely targeted on the neurosurgery, CTVS, and plastic surgery portions. I watched all Dr. Arun sir CTVS videos and Dr. Satish neurosurgery videos, and your Bailey and Savishna integrated videos. And then I used to feel why I'm you giving this much time for these subjects. I don't know whether they will come or not, but seriously, sir, direct questions from your classes popped out in the exam. Like I can even recall that one question where from the direct question from the Bailey, where that toe brachial index image was kept in the question, and the options were same exactly. Which are the following is true, and the option was like a TBI anything less than zero point 0.6 is significant arterial lesion. And the exact same image and the exact same options popped out in the exam. And the moment I saw that image, you flashed in front of my screen, and then I just marked that question and I went. And then I think that investment in CTVS gave me an edge to get this rank, because I did make many silly mistakes, like around 7, 8, which I thought at that point of time writing the exam, I thought, yeah, this can be right. But post exam, immediately after you come out of the exam hall, you will get an idea you did wrong. You did wrong. You did make silly mistakes. So that made me feel bad. But somewhere I felt that I will get 130 plus or minus 5 marks, and I think I got almost all CTVS questions correct,
Uh,
including those CTVS that your questions helped me a lot, sir. That post MI complications like ventricular septal rupture, transsystolic murmur, and pseudoaneurysm repair you have to go through, and that aortic valve repairs, TAVR, SAVR, and so many questions. And that made me got this rank. I think yeah, CDVS did help me to get this rank, I think.
yes, exactly. Because any subject you can manage with our knowledge, but this
Yes, sir,
was very
definitely.
highly specialized.
Yes,
You may not have
you
seen.
can't.
Doctor, number of questions you answered in this exam.
Completely 150, sir. 150 out of 150. मन नहीं लगा था एक भी क्वेश्चन छोड़ने का. I know even that question I felt I am marking it wrong, but I didn't feel like leaving it. And definitely I watched a day before. I always think that we can never leave a question, and I used to mark all the questions even in my GTs and previous PG exams also. And day before exam, I saw your video like where you saying that you have to apply 150 out of 150, and that even made me to mark 150 out of 150. I didn't leave a question. And yeah, that's what made me to get this rank and marks, because if I did attempt 150 and I got 475, where I got like 125 correct, and that minus 25, which got me 475 marks. So that did help me.
Cool. Very good. Very nice. All this I didn't say. All toppers, like you said. This is what
Yeah,
you.
yeah, 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 yeah.
I just
Even you are a topper that we have to listen to toppers and seniors like you.
I just consolidate what all they said during
Yes,
the
sir.
interviews. I'm taking an interview now. Now
Yeah,
I know what you will say, and then this I just give to students so that they can use it by saving time. That's the idea.
yes, sir. One should listen to that.
Yeah. Great. Now, can you share something about the paper? I mean, what did they concentrate? What is exactly a PG exit standard, or the standard was a little of super specialty? I mean, where are these questions are coming up from? They are from Bailey 20th edition or submission 20th
Yes,
edition. Can you share some
yes,
insight about this paper?
definitely, sir. In the span of 30 days, I wrote two exams like back to back, like INSS and NEET SS, and both are completely different exams. Sir. Both are completely contrast. In INSS, if you feel the question is easy, then you are trapped. But in NEET SS, if you feel the question is easy, yeah, it will be easy. And NEET SS will be more of like a standard paper. Like they will questions are definitely from Bailey 28th edition and suggestion, and they will be like direct lines from Bailey and suggestion. They won't go out of it. And like yeah, 60% of the paper I think we can do with our basics and basics knowledge, surgical knowledge, and next 30% you can do with revisions and readings, and last 10% maybe a bit difficult, and you have to go by Bhagwan ke bharose pe. You have to go, and you should not leave any question.
Okay, great, doctor. What is your experience of speed to this exam? What relevance it made? I mean, what you felt, which you see this platform? Because there are so many platforms available for you.
Yes, sir. But it's the best in the market. The speed, and obviously your videos. And initially, while I took speed, it was a bit confusing what videos to watch. And obviously, there are many videos with many headings. And I was little confused what to watch, what to go. And I didn't expect that NEET SS coaching will be different from NEET PG coaching, where the teachers will go on writing and will give you time to make notes, and NEET assess will be completely different. You have to grasp through the given time, and you have to go on taking the notes. And yeah, speed did help me a lot in getting this, in achieving this. And that daily 28 session videos and high yield videos and integrated series did help me a lot, apart from the general surgery portions, and in the subject oriented portions also they did help me. And initially I didn't get your concept of going the entire chapter with MCQs. I was like, this is a bit confusing. I am not getting it. But once you get acclimatized to it, and you can't go back. I watched all the videos, and I used to mark. I After the class, I used to go to the textbook and read the chapter, and see where this line, where this question is taken from, what the line, what is the confusing part in the question, and what did I type wrong in the chat box, and I use it to see, and that did help me.
So we are basically working on this learning experience. It's just
Yes,
about
sir.
not about the exam. I mean, how
Yes,
a
sir.
quality reading and that could enhance one's knowledge base so that they can effectively apply not only to the exams and also the real life situation to the patients as
Yes, sir.
well. So it's too good. Right. Now, What do you be a message to your future aspirants?
Three things I believe, sir. One, there are no shortcuts to success, and two, you have to the amount of effort you put in is directly proportional to the results you get, and have faith and believe in God, and ask what you and demand what you want, and put efforts for your dreams, and the results will follow.
Very nice. Well said. Time to thank, and whom all you want to thank that they helped you from day one till date in your career.
Obviously, my parents are they very much supported since the beginning, and whatever I think I do that. To make my parents proud. And till joining NEET PG, I thought I should only work to make my parents proud. But after joining PG, it's the obsession over surgery that made me to work hard, and that obsession is, pushing me. And obviously, I have to thank my friends and obviously Speed and Dr. Max and Teacher, and which has been a huge support on screen. And yeah, in personal life also, that success stories of yours and the students and seniors did help me a lot and very motivating, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. Excellent.
Yeah,
It's a beautiful interview. It's like a totally inspiration, full of value, and
yes, sir.
full
Thank
of
you so much.
full of inspiration. Huh?
Thank you so much, sir.
It looks like a Bahubali movie for me.
Oh,
Talking to
great,
you, yes.
great, great, sir.
And I'm very very happy. I'm very happy for you the way you have
Thank you so
come
much.
up and way
Thank you
of
so much.
your career through from MBBS till date.
Thank you
Mass.
so much.
You have done a mass.
Yes, sir.
So Sai will be a huge inspiration.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
sure, sir. Will
for
be.
the entire country. I'm very happy. And once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great career in surgical gastro. As a surgical
Thank you so much.
gastroenterologist,
Thank you
you
so much, sir.
more than 100% beyond your expectations. And definitely wish
Sure,
you
sir.
all the very best and all the success.
Thank you, sir. Had a great time talking with you, sir. It's been
Great.
like a dream. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.